Folks, Blizzard Mobile Man here. We're having thunder, snow, we're having ice. I mean, it is coming down. This is good stuff. You know, we're having lightning and stuff. It is piling up. This is good stuff. I mean, we was hoping to catch some thunder, snow on the camera here, but we can't. But you know what? It gave me a little snow pal. And you know what? We have fun here at Blizzard Mobile. So, I don't know, but I think the next option is head first. We'll see you after a while.